Hey, so Moody Mom here, and today I'm gonna unbox because we're going on another trip for you guys, but we're gonna unbox what I bought from Amazon so you can see some of the things that are necessities when you go on a trip with kids and a family. So one of the things I got was a folding potty seat. So when you're traveling at different people's homes or hotels and you're potty training, this is definitely a must. I will link this in the bottom for you guys, but this is a must. The second thing I got, this is a quick video as you can tell, but the second thing I got was masks. You need masks. You need a lot of them. You know, we're not vaccinated over here, don't judge us. However, you know, we wear our masks and we keep everyone protected, and we're going on a trip with the family. So you might meet some of the family as well on some of the up and coming videos. Also, I got a game. Let's Mingle. It's the family edition. So this is a card game where you ask people in the car different questions. Dwayne wants it. You ask them different questions and they answer, and you get to know each other and bond a little bit on this long drive that we're gonna have. And this is very important because if you guys need to catch up, I'm gonna link that trip above, the road trip. Dwayne and AJ threw up in the car. So for this road trip, I bought Dramamine, motion sickness relief for kids. So we're gonna give this to them before we go to see if it works, where they don't get sick, okay? And and the last thing I bought, I was gonna wear this. It's a wig. It's a wig. I was gonna wear this wig because I didn't know if I could get my hair done, but I got my hair redone. Hope you guys like. It's the same style. But yes, a wig, because you know, you could take it off and you could put it back on if it's hot. So that's some of the necessities that you need. And make sure, you know, underwear, clothes. You can always stop and get toothbrush and soap. I always bring Dove soap as well. So with that being said, I hope you like, subscribe, and comment. Now, just come along. Know that we'll be back soon with more videos for you of the trip. So I hope you have a great rest of your week. Peace.